Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download MySQL Workbench for learning data modeling. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To download MySQL Workbench, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type MySQL Workbench download and press enter. The first result should lead you to the official MySQL website. Click on the link to access the download page. Once on the page, look for the download options. You will see different versions for various operating systems. Select the version that corresponds to your operating system. If you're using Windows, click on the Windows option. For Mac users, select the macOS version. If you're on Linux, choose the appropriate package for your distribution. After clicking your desired version, locate the download button. You may need to accept the license agreement to proceed. Once accepted, the download will begin automatically. If prompted, select a destination on your computer to save the file. Once the download is complete, navigate to the location where you saved the installer. Double-click the installer to start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. You may need to choose installation settings based on your requirements. After the installation is complete, you can launch MySQL Workbench. Familiarize yourself with the interface to start learning data modeling. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.